everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm going over the February mystery for this year. This mystery is no longer available. If you want to pick it up, I would definitely suggest joining the buy sell trade and seeing if anybody puts any up, or there is an ISO post if you want to post that you are in search of this kit. It is exclusive art as of always, and I am so excited for this because there is a little extra in here that I'm kind of playing around with the format for future kits, and we'll go more into that. But first, let's do the reveal. I am so excited. I think this kit turned out like 10,000 times better than the mood board, and I love the theme. These colors printed even better than they were digitally, and I cannot wait to show you everything that is in this. So let's go over the ultimate first, because I'm like having heart palpitations. Actually, this one, the ultimate, has 2 extras this month, which is just so good. So let's go over the just base ultimate kit first, and then we'll go through everything else, because I am like fanning myself because I am just sweating over how much I love this kit. Okay, here are the full boxes. Let me give you a close-up. I feel like I need to make sure I do more close-ups for the mystery, but like it's so beautiful. Book kits are always one that if they're in a mystery, they're bangers. The book mystery from a couple of years ago, I brought it back to shop, and it was one of the top-selling kits last year. Which I just feel like it just says something, because if everybody already got it in a mystery, and then it sold super well again, and just like this is a dream. And these colors, they're just so unique. Gives me March vibes, but also could give me spring, summer, fall, even winter vibes, like winter in Texas. Like these are the colors, but like this, like it's unique, but it just works. You have that like a dusty pink, a like kind of like creamy ivory, this like the kind of like chartreuse kind of color, and then like the muted green. Oh, another like flat lay, but you could totally split her up and it would be a cute standalone box as well. You have like the audio book, the books, the AirPods, the little coffee bookmark, the glasses in the corner, more books all around. It's just so beautiful. I'm just honestly obsessed. Like I am obsessed. This is one of my favorite kits, but also next month is gonna be I think one of my favorite kits of all time. It's just but this one is one of my favorites of the year that I know of yet, because I think I only have up to like June done. Question mark? I'm not sure. This has the newer format, I think. Does March? I'm not sure. But this is the newer format. So we took out the ombre boxes. That was the big request. And we did the doodles. And then this is like if you bought a label 2 and shop. And it's the only time I'm not going to be able to find one. A label 2 and shop, this is what it looks like. So you could kind of pull in that whole color. Before, I don't think that there was glitter headers, question mark, and less like items. So this you could totally pull in, and let me show you next to the other colors. So it's like a dark brown. It's really, really pretty. I think it's good with it, without it, if you want to swap something out. And then you have the extra boxes. So you have a tall box. So you have the 3 different skin tone options. It's so pretty with the feet, with the like Converse, the flowers. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And then you have a little bookshelf, kind of shelfie. A shelfie. I love when people say that in videos. And then a pattern box, because I'm thinking quote box. And I'm going to, like, whenever there's a lot of boxes, I'm bringing some pattern boxes back, because I miss them so much. And it's been like a year of me missing them. So a pattern box, that was my favorite of the patterns. Ugh, it's just so pretty. So let's go over the foil bundle first. And I thought that the right answer for this was matte bronze. It is the right answer. I'm not even going to give you I'll give you some other options if you want. But the nice thing about the foil bundles is you could put it in with this. You could put it with something else and bring a different foil. And you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do rose. You could do like an olive. You could do a brown. You could do matte bronze. You could do matte silver. You could do a mix of those. You could do anything you want, really, I think. But I think the right answer is matte bronze. So this is the, I think it's like the shimmer format, right? Shimmer. So you have the shimmer underlays with this one. Bottom washi. But let's get into the extras for this. So these are extras for the ultimate. So you have the kit and the foil bundle. And then you have this here. I wanted to add some extra fashion options. So between all 6 boxes, you do have the normal 6 fam options. Plus you have that like tall box. So this is just an extra for the month. And then an extra. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. So this is just like a little extra, like 2/3 sheet. And I feel like you could bring this into any matte bronze foil bundle and make it like a book foil bundle. I'm not like huge on like mega theming. Y'all know this. Like I'll bring in a couple little themed bits and sprinkle them through a like more neutral foil bundle. But I just think that this is such a fun way for me to be able to give you some like themed items. And it's just so stinking pretty. I love it. So you have the box here that says just one more chapter. So you could put that over the box here or over another box, any box you like. You could put over the outfit, this, the books. And then you have some book deco, and that is just so pretty. I love it. And they even like cut them really nice and close on this one, so they just have a little less like overhang of the clear. The book bottom washi, like a little shelfie again, so stinking cute. So you could switch out the bows for that if you wanted. And then you have some scripts on top. It's having trouble focusing. But you have 3 reads, library, bookstore, buy books, booktube, finish book, start book, buy books, bookstore, book talk, can't stop buying books, book binge, buy more books, organize library, and read all day. And I also did order this in core foils. So I will be bringing the leftovers of this, like whenever I bring the leftovers of the foil bundle, I'll bring leftovers of this along with the core foils to the shop. So let's say you wanted to do silver with this kit, I'll be bringing this silver sheet. Or if you just want to have extra for other kits, you'll have the option to buy them a la carte in shop. But this is just a freebie. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this kit. I hope y'all like it. I think like for the most part, I have pretty much... If I'm not doing a themed foil bundle, which there are a couple of kits this year I'm doing themed foil bundles for. If I'm not doing a themed foil bundle, I'm going to try and do some kind of like extra freebie that kind of brings in some of the theming. And these are like the size to put on a little thing. Those little 2 little teeny tiny book doodles, just in case you were wondering. But the other ones you could put on full boxes. You could put as deco bits. But yeah, if I'm not doing a themed foil bundle, I am going to try and do some kind of add-on, whether it's something like this or like maybe 4 full box overlays, something like a little themed, little something there to kind of make it a little pizzazzy. Then let me show you the mini kit. The mini kit's the more affordable option. So you do have the full boxes, the deco, the glitter header page. This is the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi, and then your freebie here. You do have the label sampler along with the label too. So this has changed per request, and I think that that is a great little freebie for the mini kit. And then instead of doing the matte freebie, which normally is just this little sheet with 3 matte stickers on it, I also did include the book. So you could either, like I said, put it with this, or you could put it with any matte bronze that you have, but I thought that I would just add that in there for the mini kit users as a little extra. So that, my friends, is everything for this month. As you could tell, I am very, very excited, but wait, because I'm going to be like falling off my chair. I'm not even going to be able to speak because I feel like I said, this is going to be one of my top, I think 3 for the year, but March is probably going to be my top for like life, like my top kit of life. It's just everything. March is a new format foil bundle. It's never done it. And it's like, it's themed, but I think it's a theme that could go with a lot. And it's beautiful. And also it'll be like the premiere of like a slightly updated icons and script page for the foil bundle. So that'd be really fun too. But yeah, that is everything for this month. Again, if you sign up next month, like on the 1st, you will get a completely different kit. So you won't be able to get this kit from me. I usually for mystery keep it exclusive to the mystery kit for a year, and then next year around this time I will release it into shop. So that is everything. I hope you like this kit. I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.